वादग्रस्त सिली सोल्स कॅफे आणि बाराच्या लायसनाची सुनावणी एक्सायज आयुक्तामुखार आज जाली. आदवोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिक्स आणि जागेच्या मालकाच्या आदवोगादान आपली बाजू मांडली. आयरिश म्हणटा पात्रांव सर्गेस्त एंथनी दिगामाच्या नांवार लायसन्स आसा. ताच्या मरणा उपरांत ते बायलेच्या नांवार ट्रान्स्फर जावंक शकना. गेले 1 वर्स हे बाराचो धंदो बेकायदेशीर चल्ला.
License for over a year now is in the name of a dead person, which this is not permissible. So anyway, by the time the next hearing comes, the BDO will have submitted his report, and hopefully the town and country planning officials who are under much pressure to shield Smriti Irani, they will have to get their act together and finalize something about this inquiry, because it is pending for over 2 weeks with them, with the BDO, and I am told now the BDO has been last 2 days ago also transferred from MAPSA, so it will come before another BDO.
जाग्याच्या पात्रावाचो आदवोगाद म्हणटा ताणें ताची बाजू मांडल्या. एक्सायज आयुक्ता मुखार फुडली सुनावणी 12 सप्टेंबराक.
The owners of the premises filed my detailed reply substantiated by documents. During the course of the hearing, the complainant also pressed vehemently for the suspension of the excise license, but the authority was not impressed by such a request, and such a request was not granted.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.